Another, you will also see that some kind of kiosks. These are called kiosks. These are standalone machines of certain banks in a mall or in a place where the branch is not there, but they get served there. All right. New trend coming through these things are remittance. The international remittance जो आ रही होती है, पहले अगर आप गौर सोचें कि पहले remittance आप भेजते थे बाहर से, तो वो आती थी तो 7 days लेती थी just for clearing. Just for clearing if you are the same account, same bank. But these days it's a matter of less than a day. If it's the same bank, it's 4 hours. Channel other than internet banking, which is very popular with a lot of people, is call centers or customer service centers, some people say it. Right? That's what happens there is bank has a customer center. In the customer center of retail and corporate, it's the same mix होता है. वहाँ पे दो काम हो रहे हैं. एक तो customers की calls आ रही होती हैं regarding the products. अच्छा, mostly you will see the customers are calling for liability products. Now when I say liability products, it's actually यार मेरा checking account पे कितने पैसे transfer हुए नहीं हुए, क्या हुआ, balance कितना है मेरा, stuff like that. This is the most generic one of that. But the banks are using these kind of data very smartly these days. And what they're doing is, while you call in, they go through something called IVR, all right, the voice recording. In that voice recording, what you do, you give your NIC or the account number or something like that. The moment you put that in, he has your profile in front of you. The customer service, when you get connected to a live person, if the IVR has already solved your problem by giving you the basic answer, fine, no need. But most of the people try to ask a few other questions, right? So, usme ye hota hai ki the profile comes in front of the person, and what they are doing is they are cross-selling products, new products that are coming into the market, especially the insurance products. All right. आपने देखा होगा जब भी आप लोग कॉल करें किसी बैंक के कस्टमर सर्विस को, तो ये ज़रूर पूछता है कि क्रेडिट कार्ड है कि नहीं आपके पास. Now, smart banks will know you have it or not. Smart banks will know if you applied for it. Smart banks will also know if you were rejected or accepted. What is your limit? Are you above your limit? Are you in a stage where you're getting delinquent, you're not paying your... So they will bring you to that side and saying, देखें collection की तरफ आपकी चीज़ जा रही है. So आप प्लीज़ अपना by the way, वो कहते बड़े प्यार से कहते हैं, लेकिन कहते हैं कि by the way आपका वो bill due होने वाला है. Sometimes when you call, you will say, कैसे पता चला उन्हें? Because the customer service has the portal which is giving other information while they're looking at your balance, all right? And they also do, this is what we call customer deepening of relationship. पहले customer deepening कैसे, आजकल भी ये होता है खैर कि ब्रांच का मैनेजर निकलता था और जितनी भी दुकानें बराबर में होती थी और जितना भी एरिया उसका कवरेज होता है, हर एक के पास जाता कहता मेरे पास अकाउंट खोलो, कैश लाओ, उसका व्हाट ही नीड्स इज लाइबिलिटीज, राइट? बिकॉज लाइबिलिटीज होंगे उस पर लोन्स जाते हैं, लोन्स जाएंगे तो अल्टीमेटली क्या होगा, प्रॉफिट वहीं से आएगा. नाउ व्हाट हैज हैपेंड दैट कस्टमर, व्हाइल द ब्रांच मैनेजर इज स्टिल डूइंग द सेम थिंग, these guys are cross-selling products online to you. बिकॉज होता ये है कि नई प्रोडक्ट्स आती हैं, आपको पता नहीं है, मार्केट अच्छी तरह नहीं भी ये चीज़ें क्या हुआ, या आपने सुनी भी ये चीज़, तो यू आर नॉट अप्लाइंग फॉर इट. दे विल ट्राई टू सेल इट टू यू राइट देयर. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जो बहुत बेसिक है, आपसे पूछेंगे कार्ड है कि नहीं, और कार्ड है तो कहेंगे साहब आपने अगर हॉस्पिटल चलेगा तो हॉस्पिटल की अगर 200 रुपये आप महीने की दे दें तो आपको 3000 इफ़ यू आर एडमिटेड. ये अब आपको सुनने में आ रही होंगी चीज़ें ना. इंश्योरेंस के साथ आपने देखा बैंक्स इंश्योरेंस भी बेचने लगे, इट्स कॉल्ड री इंश्योरेंस एक्चुअली. So मॉडल चेंज हो रहा है बैंक का. कहाँ से हो रहा है? आप ब्रांच तो गए ही नहीं है. दिस इज ऑल ई चैनल वे. सो आई एम जस्ट गिविंग एग्जांपल्स एंड actually as I am speaking I am getting to remember 10 more examples of how the customer is coming to you, how the bank is coming to you. They will also come and say आपका हमें पता चला आपके कितने बच्चे हैं, क्या हैं. They will get that profile from you because they have a product for the babies, they have a product for college students now. They will start, and they will, as soon as that will come, it will start popping up and it will show these messages ke the kid is now 15 years old, so let's entice the kid into what, into a new card which is a young card, so that he will ultimately become the customer of that bank for his life, because शुरू से उसका एक्सपीरियंस जो आ रहा होता है ना. अच्छा, आपको ये एक चीज़ देखिएगा, छोटे कस्टमर्स जो होते हैं, याद रखिए, छोटे कस्टमर्स आर कॉल्ड स्टिकी कस्टमर. दे डोंट लीव. इट्स द बिग गाइज हु मूव अराउंड अ लॉट. ठीक है, so the more you have the chota customer, the more you don't have to work on them. That's why the big banks in Pakistan are very stable, because उनका वो बेस हटता ही नहीं है. ये जो बड़े जो मनी मेकिंग या जो प्रायोरिटी कस्टमर्स होते हैं, they move a lot, because even a cent change here and there on an interest or something will move them, because they have enough money in the bank. But these are just examples of how the channel, which used to be only a branch or a branch manager or somebody who knows a branch manager somewhere who would have referred you somewhere, no need. Now you go on the net, you're in. Now you go to a ATM machine, you are in. Now you call a call center, you're in. Now you apply for a credit card, even if you're not a customer of that particular bank, you can apply for a card. Nobody is stopping you from getting a card, right? Depends on your liabilities, आपके expenses क्या हैं, आपके loans क्या हैं, उसके हिसाब से कार्ड की लिमिट मिलेगी आपको. लेकिन once you have the card, कार्ड की कभी आप गौर से देखें एप्लीकेशन फॉर्म में क्या क्या लिखा होता है. उसमें ये तक लिखा होता है कि वालिद का नाम क्या है, दादा का नाम ये क्यों था. I am just kidding, but they want to know that kind of information from you so that they can profile you, okay, who you were then, and have you come up in life to a point where you have become a higher level net worth आपकी बढ़ गई है कि नहीं. देखें ये कुछ नहीं किया, आपको तो पता भी नहीं वो क्या देख रहे हैं पीछे जाके. And they will start cross-selling things in different channels, right? So all the back end of that is technology, which is a different ball game altogether. But whatever this happens, there's an entire huge amount of technology of data warehousing in the back, the business intelligence is in the back, core banking systems are in the back, switches in the back, authentication services are there, everything is in the back. Not worth talking about. It's just the front end. I was trying to give you an idea that life has changed a lot. It's not just that brick and mortar anymore. It's actually, halaki first time you still have to go to a branch and you have to still show your ID card that who you are, which we call know your customer kind of thing. But this is essentially what e-channel is all about. All right. Thank you.